Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Universal Analyzer. In this video, we are going to learn about the types of the sets. As this is a very important sets is a very important topic in the algebra, which is important in both standards, that is in 9th and as well as in the 10th. Here we are going to learn about the types of sets. We can have the different types of sets like singleton set, empty set, finite set and infinite sets. In these four sets, different types of sets. What is mean by singleton set? Singleton set is a set which consists of the single element. In this way we can make the definition of the singleton set. Singleton set, it is a set of a single element, where we can give example as A is a set which consists of only one element, okay, that is 2. Now example we can also write in a set builder form, or that in the form of a rule method. Here we can write A is a set of prime numbers which is even. The answer will be only 2, and which is said to be the singleton set. Okay, next to that we can see here the empty set. Now what is empty set? Empty set, the set which consists not even a single element, that is which consists empty, not even 0. 0 is one of the element in the set, therefore it should not consist of any elements. In this way we can see here, for example, write the for example, A is a set of natural numbers less than 1. No natural numbers, because natural numbers starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Therefore the set will be null, which can null. Empty set is also called as a null set. Okay, it can also represented by this symbol. Now next to this is finite set. What is finite set? It is a set in which the elements are countable. Here we can count the elements of that set. Now we can also call singleton set as a finite set, because in this example here we can count 2 is only one element in this set, therefore it is countable. Therefore singleton set is also called as finite set, whereas empty set is also called as a finite set, where we also count here none. We can count here that there is no elements in this set. Therefore singleton set and empty sets are also called as a finite set. Okay, now finite set we can give the example like A is a set of natural numbers which are less than 100 or less than 50. In this way we can say that. And next set is a infinite set. Now how we can write the definition for the infinite set? Infinite set, it is a set of the uncountable elements. For example, in set builder form we can say that A is a set of natural numbers. Now how we can count? We can count, but they are infinite, therefore from 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. We can stop that number, therefore it is the infinite set. Now while writing in exam, while writing this definitions, only we have to remember these keywords, and from this we can write the definition for those sets. Okay, and these are the examples. In this way there are types of sets: singleton set, empty set, finite set and infinite set. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.